Hello and welcome to Curry TV. My name is Sumi, and on this episode I'd like to talk to you about a new vegetable, Tindoora. Tindoora is an Asian vegetable that we get at our local Asian market. So it comes in different sizes, so I can see. So what I've done is split it in half and then slice it very thinly so it looks like so. Let's take a look at all the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. I have Tindoora ready. This is 22 roughly, depending on the sizes that you get. Very thinly sliced. And I have coconut oil, mustard, curry leaves, turmeric powder, shallots, green chilies, and half a cup of coconut shredded. So first and foremost, let's heat up our pan and use 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Now coconut oil is hard right now because of the weather. When it's summer, it will become liquid. Don't worry. As the pan heats up, it will be fine. So Tindoora is actually a very healthy vegetable that you should add into your diet. It helps with lowering your cholesterol pressure and stuff like that. It has a lot of healthy benefits to it. So please try this recipe, and I have more recipes with Tindoora on my channel. Please do check those out as well. So in the meantime, while the oil is heating up, we need few shallots. So this is 4 shallots that I've thinly sliced. Before we add the shallots, I'm just going to add in a few, not even a quarter teaspoon of mustard into our oil, and that's going to splutter. Okay, good to go. Let's add in our shallots. 4 shallots, and depending on your spice level, this is Thai chilies. I'm just adding 3 to 4. Now I cut it very thin, lengthy wise, so that if my kids can pick it out in case if they don't like the spiciness. Let's add in our turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, along with some fresh curry leaves. Let's give that a good mix. We will also need salt to taste. I did not put this out here, but of course that everybody knows, right? We need some salt. I have magic hands working behind me. Okay, good to go. Let's add in all our Tindoora. It's also known as koveka in our language, which is Malayalam. We're from South India, so it's very common there, the Tindoora and stuff. There's so many other vegetables that we usually don't see it in an American grocery store. You should definitely try visiting your Asian store, where you will be mind blown with all the Asian fruits and veggies out there. I mean, some of them I don't even know their names, but through this channel, that's what you guys will get. So let's cover this and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. I do have my flame on medium heat. Okay, it's time to check on our Tindoora. At this stage, let's add in our salt. This quarter teaspoon of salt that I've added, along with some fresh grated coconut. Now, if you don't have to add coconut to this, if you don't like to add coconut at all, if you don't have it, this is stir fry. With coconut, it's actually a Thoran. So for this recipe, I'm using half a cup of coconut. Let's mix it all together. We're from the land of coconut, so all our dishes will have some sort of coconut in there, either in coconut milk, coconut oil, or coconut slices, or like this. So that is done. Let's turn off our heat. Alright, there you guys have it, our nice and healthy vegetable curry is ready. This is Tindoora Stir Fry. You can make this with coconut or without coconut. It's just very healthy for you guys. Please do try this recipe out. I'd love to hear your feedbacks, and thanks so much for all your support so far, all your love and prayers and everything. That's really helpful to us, encouraging us to do more. We appreciate it. And to those who haven't subscribed to our channel, please do hit that subscribe button and bell icon. I would greatly appreciate that. Until then, see you. Bye-bye.